Alright, so I'm out here. Caught this little guy after Wacky Senko. Just a little guy. Make him look big in the camera. But we're fishing one of our local lakes. Wacky Senko. There he goes. Guys, I have caught this sunfish twice right under that tree. Twice already. And then second time I was like, I'm recording him. That's pretty cool. Alright, another one off that Wacky Senko. Skipped it right under that dock. Alright guys, I'm fishing this little creek right here and look what I caught. Dude, he's like bigger than my hand. He's a sunfish too. Oh my gosh, he's giant. Look how dark that water is. And I'm throwing a white curly tail. Let's get him back in the water. That's huge. You're a sunfish. Alright, here he is. That's my PB sunfish right there. Whew. Get him back. Get a nice release on him. Look at him. Look at that sunfish right there, dude. One more glimpse. There he goes. Giant sunfish. Wow. Alright, this time a little largemouth bass. Little largemouth bass. Right from those reefs right there. Little guys are always fun too. Alright, a nice chunk came from that log right over there. Nice chunker though. On that white curly tail. There was a even bigger one with them, but just throw them back in there. Yeah, I'm sorry for the bad release, and the wind. I'm sorry for the wind and the bad release, but that was a nice chunk. Let's go get some more. Alright, scale says he weighs like 1.5. We're gonna get a few photos of him. I caught a catfish on a lure. That's awesome. He's straight up biting me over and over again. But let's get him back in the water. And this is actually my biggest catfish. And look how clear the water is. Wow. There he goes. Catfish on a lure. Let's see if we can catch some bass or some more catfish. I seen the biggest carp rolling right here after I caught that catfish. Let's go catch some more. Yeah, nice bass right there. Look at that belly. He's been eating a bunch of stuff. I don't know. I caught him on that spinner bait right there. Whoa, nice bass. Look at that mouth. Nice bass. We're gonna get some photos of him. Oh my gosh, guys! I just lost a 5-pounder. Snapped me off totally. Oh my gosh. It's the worst feeling I've had. This makes me want to freaking leave. He was a toad. God, I'm so mad, guys. Oh my gosh. Alright, guys. So this is why I didn't record it. Because look how small they are. And I caught like 20 of them. But I don't know. They're crazy, you know? Catching little guys just like that almost every cast is cool. That's pretty legit. That's scary. There's like an underground bunker right here. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. That's pretty scary. There's straight up like an underground bunker. It goes, yeah, that's pretty cool though. Yeah, but I'm gonna leave.